Hello everyone, this is Navanita. Now we are going to study the topic from Human Eye and Colorful World. So introduction of this topic. We know the world is a colorful and astonishing gift to us by the Almighty. But many people are unable to see this. Yes? So this is largely related to their eyes. These are the pathway for every light to enter the human brain. The eyes are the sense organs which gives us vision. Okay? The eyes are the sense organs which gives us vision. We are going to discuss about how the eye work and their common defects along with some amazing phenomena which happen due to refraction and dispersion and scattering of light. So this is a human eye. Okay, you can see the parts of the human eye. So now, in the previous chapter, you learned the focal length of lens and object distance determine the nature, position and size of image. Right? There you learned the focal length of lens and object distance determine the nature, position and size of image. So what is the function of lens in human eye? How does it helps to see objects at long distance and short distance? How is it possible to get the image at the same distance on the retina? And are we able to see all objects in front of our eyes clearly? How do the lenses used in spectacles correct defect of vision? So, to answer these questions, you need to understand the structure and functioning of the human eye. So here, let us do the following activities to know about some interesting facts about our vision. The first one is the least distance of distinct vision. Okay, now we have to take a textbook and hold it with your hands in front of you at a certain distance. Okay, we have to take a textbook and hold it with your hands in front of you at a certain distance. Now, try to read the contents on the page. What you are seeing on the page, try to read the contents. Now, slowly move the book towards your eye till it is very close to your eyes. Okay, slowly move the book towards your eye till it is very close to your eyes. What changes do you notice? Here, you may see that printed letters on the page of the textbook appear blurred or you feel strain in the eye. Yes, when we move the book towards near to our eye till it is very close to our eyes. So there we see that printed letters on the page of the textbook appear blurred or we feel strain in the eye. Okay, now slowly move the book backwards to a position where can you can see clear printed letters without straining your eye. Okay? Here, now slowly move the book backwards to a position where you can see clear printed letters without straining your eye. Okay? Now, ask your friend to measure the distance between your eye and textbook at this position. Okay? Where at which distance you are observing the clear letters on the page. At the distance, you have to measure the distance from your eye and to the textbook. Now, note down its value. Now, we have to repeat the activity with other friends and note down the distances for distinct vision in each case. So, now, we have to find the average of all these distances of clear vision. So, what value do you get for average distance? So, from this activity, you will come to know that you see an object comfortably and distinctly. You must hold it at a distance about 25 centimeters from your eye. Okay? About 25 centimeters from your eyes, you can see an object comfortably and distinctly. So, this distance is called least distance of distinct vision. Okay? This distance is called least distance of distinct vision. So, at a distance where we observe the clear image that comfortably and distinctly, that distance is known as least distance of distinct vision. Now, here this varies from person to person and with age also. Okay, this varies from person to person and with age. So, at a young age means say below 10 years, the muscles around the eyes are strong and flexible and can bear more strain. Okay, at age of below 10 years, the muscles around the eye are strong and flexible and can bear more strain. So, therefore, the least distance of distinct vision at this age is as close as 7 to 8 centimeters. Okay, generally for a healthy person, the least distance of distinct vision is around 25 centimeters from the eye. In old age, the muscles cannot sustain more strain. Okay, in old age, the muscles cannot sustain more strain. Hence, the least distance of distinct vision shifts to a larger value. Okay, here the least distance of distinct vision shifts to a larger value, say about here 1 to 2 meters or even more.